How to block someone on Yahoo Mail. First of all, open your mailbox on your Yahoo account. Once your mailbox is opened, you can see a lot of spam messages have been sent to me from spammers or other hackers or anyone else. So what I want to do, I want to block them. For example, there is a Starbucks reward spam email. I know it's a spam email. It's not from Starbucks. You can see the email address is not from the Starbucks. It's a spam. So I want to block that user. So what I will do is click on this three-dotted button on the top. Here you will see an option called block senders. I will click on it. And here it's asking me for verification. Please verify that you want to block messages from the following email senders. Yes, I want to block him and block all future emails, delete all existing emails. I will click on OK. Once I've clicked on OK, all the emails from this spammer has been deleted. If you don't want to block them, you can also mark an email as a spam. And that's how to block someone on Yahoo Mail. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.